Hello, Parnassian scholars. This is Magister Beck coming at you again with a short little quick video. This video is going to be on the point system for physical education and also a helpful hint that we are going to be outside like 99% of the time for physical education class. So if you guys can dress for the weather, that'd be fantastic, because the only time we're going to go inside, if there's any space for us inside, is if it's raining really bad outside or if it is really cold outside. So just for the appropriate weather conditions. Now, as far as the point system for grammar and logic, you're going to have physical education 3 days a week. That's 5 points a day. So that's 15 points for the week. One time you're going to see us in person, Magister Cole, Mr. Mangold, who's going to be helping us out again, and then myself, Magister Beck. And the other 2 days are going to be off-site. So, unless you're a 100% distant learner, then you're still going to get graded for 3 physical education classes a week. It's just those are going to be all at your house or on your own. So 5 points for those 3 days is 15 points for the week. It's up to you to keep those 15 points. Because when you come to class, you start off with 5 points. You keep those 5 points by showing up, trying your hardest, getting along with your peers, and not to get in any of the mischief or trouble. So, when you are home to get those points, you can go to Infinite Campus and download a sheet Magister Cole, Mangold, and myself put on there. And it is a sheet where you write down a couple sentences on what you did for those couple PE classes at home. And then there's some data you can put down, like what you did for sit-ups, push-ups, jumping jacks, jogging, squats, like how many you did or how many minutes you did it for. And then you have your parent or guardian sign in at the bottom, and you can send it back to us through Infinite Campus or email. And that's how you get those 5 or 10 points when you're at home, or 15 points if you're a 100% distant learner. So that's it for this short little video, just for the weather conditions that are outside, because we have PE class outside, and you get 15 points for the week for physical education, and it's up to you to keep those 15 points. Everyone in Phi Ed starts off with an A. It's up to you to keep that A. Hope you have a great day, and until we meet again.